It's part two of Robinhood PuppyLInux. Before we can start copy from the um, F96CE4 save folder, copy or steal from the save folder, what we have to do at this point is we finished part one at part two, and today we'll basically do a quick setup. And then create the first save folder. So we'll go back to the uh, desktop one here, and basically what all I've done is enlarge the font so you can see it better. So what you want to do is just go through the quick setup, and for me it's America. Los Angeles is the time zone, so we'll go to the here, and then time frame internet firewall, that's fine, and the host name for this computer is 3 is fine, and if it's ATI video driver for this is automatically correct, so that's okay. And then you should set up a sound card, but it's already, for me it's already set because of recording. So, and then before you make first boot, I usually like to automate the partition that should be automatically mounted. So you can click on right click and then run puppy mount or pmount, and then I want the bootable USB stick to automatically mount on boot. So left click and also refresh, and I do not need to mount these partitions because this is Windows 11, and one only other partition that I need to be mounted on boot is external hard drive where I'm recording this video. So basically then on reboot we should have some of these automatically mounted, and the second part is fairly straightforward. And then if you want, I prefer these to be removed, so control and left mouse click and then right mouse click, remove items. So that's it for part two. And then we will reboot at this time, and because of psave parameter that we added, most of it should be automatic. So leave, and I'll have to be careful, make sure that I do not interrupt the video recording. But at this point you want to reboot and you want to save at this point, and then you want normal, and then we definitely want it in this save folder in this partition. So I think that it's going to get me in trouble if I let me just do it one more time. Okay. Oh, okay. So you can type your number, or just leave it blank, or type your initial or whatever there. Again, I have booted into a USB stick with a bookworm, and you can see that this is automatically mounted now, external drive, and then PuppyLInux USB bootable stick is automatically mounted, and likewise save folder is here, and we can take a brief look inside, and within the minus key and within the save folder there is this BW64 save folder is present, so everything is working as it should. And for me, I prefer this not be present on start. That was called the conky. So we can do that by just starting rocks, and a minus and Control H, and we'll get into a start folder, startup folder, and here's a conky start, minus key, and then we'll go ahead and click on it, and then so you won't be loaded on restart next time. And likewise, I don't have color printing, and we'll just also go ahead and remove those two and right click and then delete. So after that, after reboot, or even at this point, what we can do is just continue on actually. So to do that, let me just kill the LX terminal. We'll just kill the conky. So we'll start a clean slate here. So one of the advantages of Bookworm, I feel, is that you can actually use the apt command to install and remove and update on a terminal. So we'll go ahead and start. Control spacebar brings up launcher. LX terminal is already installed, so we can give it a command of update, apt update, and then let it update. And so I'm assuming I'm on an Ethernet connection, so I'm assuming that you already have a Wi-Fi set up connected. So after that apt upgrade, you can just go ahead and combine everything. But let me just go ahead and so it's actually already upgraded.